In this video, I will show you how to pay with PayPal on SHEIN. So to do this, simply go and open up the SHEIN app or website and just add to your cart whatever you want to buy using PayPal. And then after doing that, go to your cart and now click on Checkout Now. Now there are a few options for using PayPal, and you can see here in this section you can enter your shipping address, and when you scroll down you will find the payment method. So here you already have the usual PayPal, which you can just gonna select, and then when you go to checkout you will need to just pay with PayPal. Now PayPal also has a pay later with PayPal option, but this is only available if you spend a bit more money than I just had. So now I have $25, and you can now see you can pay in 4 interest-free payments on purchases of $30 to $1,500. So that's another PayPal option that you can use. So just select whichever PayPal you want. With the first one, you're just paying it upfront entirely. With the second one, you're going to be paying it in 4 interest-free payments. And after doing that, make sure everything is filled in correctly and then click continue. And from there you will then get to the payment screen where you can actually pay with your PayPal account. So now you know how to pay with PayPal on SHEIN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.